I mentioned a while back, there is an inverse relationship between mobility and stability. So what that means is this. Let's look at this image that we have here, is that the shoulder joint is very, very mobile, and the shoulder joint is called glenohumeral joint, but it's very unstable, whereas the sutures in the skull is very stable, but not mobile. So there's an inverse relationship between stability and mobility. And so there's a trade-off. So in essence, when you think about the trade-off between strength and mobility, you can think that if the joint is very stable, it's more likely to be unstable. Whereas if the joint is more stable, it's more likely to be not mobile. So once again, is this: if a joint is mobile, is more mobile, I should say, it's not as stable. Whereas if a joint is more stable or is less stable, it's more mobile. So let's give you an example. So let me repeat myself again. If a joint is very mobile, as in the case of the shoulder, it is very unstable, which means that you can dislocate. Dislocation is very common in the joint, as in the case of the shoulder joint. Whereas if a joint is very stable, it is more likely to be not mobile, as in the case of the sutures of the skull.